it to me.
No.
Yeah, give it to me.
No, you suck ass.
Exactly. Give it to me. No, give this spike to someone else. Don't be a little Connie. Don't even play the game. Give it to someone else. Give it to Cifur. You don't want to spike for like so.
Wait, they don't play?
What?
What?
What? Your
What?
friend doesn't play.
No, I rerolled.
Oh wait, what? Why? No, don't give it to them.
Why?
Oh no, remember that's unlucky. That's unlucky.
What?
Do not.
Why?
So AFK. Give it to Cifur. Give it to Cifur. Cifur was advertising for you and being nice to you, and they're just gonna give it to this bunny.
Don't guilt trip me.
Oh yeah, you should give it to Cifur. Cifur's a really nice person. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Give it to Cifur.
What if I give it to both of them?
Oh, we can't. You haven't got two.
Yeah, I have like 30.
Oh, okay, give one to Cifur then. Crobar, you simp. What am I simping for Cifur?
Cifur, come to my den if you're not here. Cifur. Cifur, I forgot your username. What was it?
Cifur. I think it may be Star.
Star?
Star.
Cifur, are you Star?
Non-stop
I don't
darkness.
remember.
Non-stop dark.
Oh, person, dum dum.
What?
It's non-stop darkness. The person.
Oh. Oh, I'm
The person
blind.
that-
I'm literally blind. I'm blind. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're fine. Yes, Crobar is a simp.
What? Because I helped them.
Yeah.
Because I helped them get my phone and I'm a simp.
You're a simp for like everybody.
No.
Yeah.
There you go, Cifur. Thank me later, brother. That's my simp.